All right, happy freaking Tuesday, everyone. Usually we would jump straight into a game, but I know we're going to get a lot of questions on this, but I thought I'd jump straight into the desktop first. I think I did this before when we did our last stream with, I think we did Control on Shadow Infinite, and that was when we had like the test log on. This is actually my desktop, so this is the Shadow Infinite tier. So yeah, I just wanted to jump in similar to what we did before, just so that people can actually have a look at the specifications. And if you've been waiting to pick it up, then you know for a fact that, you know, what they advertised, what they've been, you know, the pre-orders is actually what you're going to get. So we'll start off, actually let's just start off saying Piggy Peep just jumped straight in there with an E. So, you know, E, back to you. Thank you very much, dude. Nice to see you. Joel Lynch says first, but Piggy Peep beat you there with an E, apparently. And then Chris McKay, a thumbs up. How you doing, everyone? So yeah, let's jump straight into the specification. So we've got, obviously, I've said this in the videos before, but just to reiterate that the specifications, obviously, that Shadow puts on the website when you're pre-ordering, they are equivalents. So they'll give you the consumer equivalent, basically, so that you don't just look at the model numbers and the hardware and go, but the fuck is, I've never heard of that in my life. So for example, it's like an equivalent Intel. I was not prepared for this. It's an Intel Xeon, which is like the server version of it. But clock speed, everything is still the same. So we're at 3.3 gigahertz. Infinite is 4 gigahertz, so although that says 3.3, it's overclocked to go up to 4. So 4 gigahertz is a thing. Klebby is back for another live stream. How you doing, dude? Wale says hi, Matt. That's not my name. RP, how you doing? Nick, did I try DCS? Do you need antivirus for Shadow? Yes, you do. It's just a regular ass PC. So you go snooping around the internet trying to do your naughties, then it can get infected just like everything else. So moving on, install RAM, nice and simple, 32 gigs. It is more than you need. It is too much. And it's a little bit glorious in the fact that it's too much. So we're just going to go over the things we care about, obviously. And then display adapters. Again, we're talking equivalent hardware. So it's a Quadro RTX 6000. Which is, let me move my mic out of the way of my screen, that would be helpful. Quadro RTX 6000. We'll just go shopping because the prices make me laugh. it's 4,000. 4,000, yeah. So Wally says the autocorrect changed it to Matt. So that must be the reason why I get called Matt like 5 times a day at work with people I've worked with for the last 3 years. It's fine. But yeah, it's the Quadro RTX 6000 is equivalent in specification, and this is what they put on their website. It's equivalent to the Titan RTX, which is what this is running. Do I know if tiers are coming through a bit quicker or the day one, but not in March activation? I know obviously things got a bit delayed with the same as every other company in the world struggling at the moment. The main challenge for them was obviously with the increased usage, like 50% increase in a lot of regions. So it was more important to maintain the service of the customers they do have, rather than just saying, well, you're already on board, we don't care about you, let's just throw you to the side so that we can bring more people on board. That's obviously not the route they ever wanted to go down. So the activations did slow down. So where it should have been sort of March activation is probably why it's a bit further down. Asked everywhere on Shadow Discord, got no answer. Yeah, a lot of people, I mean, I'm not complaining, because I understand people want to know the, what am I looking for? Xbox Insider? Is that how I get to it? Yeah, a lot of people, like 20 comments a day, somebody will go on one of my videos and ask specifically for what's happening with their pre-order. I'm like, I can't see that. Like, you should be very worried if I could see that. Okay, so we have that. Can we just go? By the way, had to buy Minecraft for the 3rd time so that we could do this. GeForce Now has been struggling more than usual. Also, 3 more studios are gone. Somebody said this to me. I didn't actually know who the studios were. So if you could tell me, that would be extremely helpful, because I think it happened the day I put out my last cloud gaming news video. And I'll probably pick it up. Those are looking like they're going to be like a weekly thing. So I'll do another one, and I'll probably pick it up there. But if you could tell me right now, it saves me 5 minutes of research. We've actually got Minecraft just as hello. So I downloaded, so where is it? Let's go back. If you go Marketplace, so if you're in the Minecraft Beta, I forgot how I got to it. This is embarrassing. New worlds? I could just be making all of this up. Basically, you will see, so not everything is RTX, which is why this is in beta right now. So there's some selected worlds, so there we go. So they'll have, I don't know why I just tried pointing at my screen when I have a mouse and I can just point at that. So they'll have this RTX icon next to it. So these are either created so you can see by NVIDIA, or they've worked with like big Minecraft content creators to make worlds. But one of them, so we'll jump into some of them now. I've been talking a lot. This is 8 minutes in, and I've just done nothing but talk. You want to see? So I'm going to jump into my favorite one first, which is this fun neon pack. Oh. Am I going to use mouse and keyboard controller? Mouse and keyboard controller. Let's go mouse and keyboard for now. Where my mouse and keyboard is a little bit annoying, because I'm actually going to try and replace these with some cherry red switches, the silent ones. Problem is, they are like £2 a key, and there is 105 keys on my keyboard. Let's grab the controller. Okay, but on my keyboard there is my favorite button. We're going to be using it over and over again during the stream. It's not going to be a long one, because honestly we don't have like hours and hours of content. There are 6 worlds I just want to run through and show what they kind of look like. But one of my favorite buttons is going to be this key on the keyboard, which switches RTX on and off. So now we are off. And let me know how the stream looks as well, because it's chugging a bit on my screen. But in game I'm fine. So just let me know how that looks. It could just be me streaming and trying to watch it at the same time. But yeah, RTX off. RTX on. Ooh, let's go down. And it is pretty. I just keep like randomly going up to things that glow, and I'm like, I can't remember what that looked like before. Let me just, oh, it looked horrendous. So let's switch it back on. It does take, here's the thing though, so if I take it off, you can see everything like into the distance. It will load up, keep going. So we can see those mountains in the distance, all of the buildings. There's like some blocky clouds and stuff, but you can see for a long time. But the second you turn it back on, looks great, but let me go down a bit so you can at least see the floor to get an idea. Like, that is your distance viewing, and I completely understand it, because if it was loading everything at once, it would absolutely just break. So on the keyboard, it is the like semicolon with a comma. I actually don't know the name for that. Yeah, literally RTX off, RTX on. Let's go try and find some other textures. I did look up, I say I looked it up. I watched a video before the stream. Just into like actually what they've done, why it took so long, why it's such a sort of dramatic leap forward. But essentially, like, every block, because people have obviously done things before in terms of like the shaders that they could do, and they looked impressive, but what they are just like a layer over the top. So what they've actually done with this, what Minecraft has done, has gone into every single block and they've added like 4 or 5 new elements to it. So they all have different characteristics for what texture they are, how much light they should give off, how much light they should reflect, how far that light should dissipate. But I'm assuming, and you can just let me know, so I don't just keep talking. So I've switched to RTX off, and my screen looks fine. But it looks like as soon as I turn it on, although my system runs it fine, it looks like the stream just struggles. So we got 20 people in here right now. Somebody let me know if the stream is chugging if I go RTX on. Never pay for 4K graphics just to play Minecraft. I am somewhat in agreement. I'm just a little bit salty that I had to pay another £22.50 to buy Minecraft for the 3rd time. It's taken forever for my shadow to activate. I can't tell you individual statuses, I'm afraid. Thank you. I thought it was chugging. We're going to try a different world. Maybe that will help. Let's create new. What else do we got? So that was Neon District. I want to try this one. We'll see if this is any better. Yeah, I can see the stream struggling. So we'll try a few more of these. Clearly it is not properly optimized to run in all of that ray tracing glory and stream at the same time. So we'll try a few more. If we still get issues, then maybe I'll do a specific piece of content. We'll call the stream and we'll do a specific piece of content, and I'll record it and do a couple of on-off comparisons for you. Plugged into the TV, beautiful choice. Okay, let's turn it off. So this is off. This is a glass floor. And these are supposed to be glowing blocks, which just don't glow. then let's turn it on. My stream's about 30 seconds behind, so it's going to take me a little while to know if it's chugging or not. But again, let me know. But look at the reflection. Even if I just stand still, and we can appreciate the reflection without the stream chugging. Let's wait for the stream to catch up. Come on. Oh, no. If anything, this could be worse. I think this one you can like teleport to Zone 1 Global Illumination. You can teleport to different places. What's going on? Oh, that's a mirror. That's why I can see just an arm? What the f... I was like, what's going on over there? And what's that thing moving? It's my arm. I mean, I know this is in beta. I did wonder this, actually. Check Task Manager. We haven't got anything else. Yeah, it just looks like the stream cannot handle that much. So, it looks like we're just going to do a couple of stills. So let's find some stuff in RTX off, so at least the stream doesn't look like shit. And then we'll turn it off, or turn it on and stand still, and that way we can just enjoy a nice clear still image. It's just for the stream. Like mine is running like super smooth. Otherwise I wouldn't be able to like run around and control it like this. Alright, I found an area with a lot of cool glass. So I just want to turn that on. Surprised Microsoft didn't block VMs. It only seems to be arseholes like Riot who's doing that at the moment. That's pretty cool. I like that. Alright, turn it off before I move around. Let's find somebody. Way too fast. What's a lobby? What else we got? So there's a couple of different teleporters here. I don't think it's settled down. I think it's that I've turned RTX off. Holy crap! What the hell is this room? Minecraft, are you okay? What the hell? I mean, I know this is beta, but shouldn't be happening. Oh wow. Wow, Minecraft. Could you chill? Let's go into another world. I don't know what the hell's happened there. Was it Microsoft who blocked GeForce Now? I heard there was, so we were just saying earlier, 3 other publishers pulled their games, but I did not think it was Microsoft. That is a painful amount of the catalog to lose. Yeah, I don't know, this is beta. Are we supposed to report these bugs to Minecraft? Am I reporting this? Let's try and create this. Yeah, if it still looks funny, we'll try restarting the game. Just remember everything, little asterisks. God, I'm so tired today. Little asterisks, beta. So Xbox Studios, Clay Entertainment, and Codemasters. I know Codemasters. What have I played by them? Somebody's gonna have to remind me like what the companies make and whether or not it was such a massive loss. Oh wow, this one isn't even creative mode. We just have to run around. We just test. I'm just going to move back and forth to see how the stream does. It looks... It is not the best stream I've ever seen. But let's go out and try and see some other stuff. Like even you can tell what we were saying. Like everything has a texture now. So whereas before this just would have been like a pattern on top of a completely square block. Like the light hits the individual like cracks and stuff, which is super cool. Everything has a shadow. Did they have shadows before? No shadow. Shadows on shadow. You can see what I mean about the distancing though. Like I had no idea all of this stuff was here because I can only see about 2 feet in front of me before it all dissipates into the fog. No way of getting over there quicker because this isn't creative mode. So we'll look at a couple of things in here, see what the other worlds have to offer as well. And we'll just make this a quick one because, yeah, I'm not going to have people sit here and watch a stream that's chugging along. When I do move around like this, I'm just going to go in RTX off until we find something cool to look at. So what do we want to look at? What's that? That's just a cloud. What the hell's my Minecraft music? Alright, we should be close enough to the castle now to at least be able to see all of that glass in its glory. It's magnificent. It looks like jelly. Is that just me? Am I high right now? Why does it look like jelly? Pretty cool. Yeah, I know, like, so RP saying about the shaders and stuff that came out before. To be fair, the shaders, in my opinion, made water look like 10 times better than RTX makes it look. Maybe water's more difficult because, like, how much texture can you add to it when it's just supposed to be like a fluid? I don't know. It's interesting, but yeah, there are definitely some things that shaders have done before which are better, but this just, I mean, it required a lot of rework. It just seems to be taking up so much resource though for like, I mean, are people building gaming PCs to be able to run RTX Minecraft? We just stare at the floor for a little bit. The floor's pretty cool. Let's turn it off while we're running around. What else we got? Let's look at a couple more things in here and then try another world. I don't know where the Minecraft music went either. I feel like I should play something in the background. I don't have anything that won't get me done for copyright. Let's have a look at the cool looking Ferris wheel. Actually, even just the lamp. Let's take a look at the lamp. RTX off. RTX on. Off. On. It's a bit brighter, but maybe if it was like in a completely dark place and you could see the light dissipating off, but off. On. Yeah. What else we got? I don't think there's much else. We'd be able to run around a lot quicker in this if they had creative turned on. Or is there fire somewhere we can look at? Fire? Is that just smoke? Can I... That's how far we can squat down. Let's see if the fire looks any different. So the fire itself, no. Obviously the light it's giving off. It's very cool the way it's reflected off the floor. You know, it feels nice and warm now. That's more to do with the texture of the wood and the amount of light emitted from the actual fire. But I mean, yeah, still pretty cool. I like that. Right, I don't think there's much else in here. Does the rain look any different? It just started raining. Let's see what rain looks like. Not really. Alright, let's jump into another world. This one has some interesting things, but let's see what else we got. So, did that one, did that one, did that one. I've tried that one, it wasn't, I mean, it's got dragons and castles, so it should be cool, and I went in, it wasn't amazing. We can go into that later, but I want to see the ones I haven't seen yet. Temples and totems. Create. Okay, so we've got more of a jungle set. Oh, hey dude. How you doing? The hell made that noise? It's a parrot in full RTX glory. Does he look any different? A little bit. He has more shadows. Alright, this place is filled with loud birds. Is he stuck? Are you stuck? He's stuck! How can we help him? Be free! Fly into the RTX sunset. Or is he just going to attack the person who tied him up? No, he's chilling. Oh, he's loud. Okay, yeah, so this is what I mean about water. Okay, that bird is really loud. So water. And the reflections we get from that. So if you're under light, then yeah, it looks pretty cool. But I don't know, I feel like shaders may have done it better in the past. Maybe moving water looks... Can we, can't really edit that stuff. Shut up, bird! Let's go find another piece of water. Turn RTX off while we're running around. Feel like that. Alright, so we've got some water to look at here. Bloop. I mean, that is a significant difference. Come on. Off. Eh. Off feels depressing. Off is so dark. Like, had people just playing in the dark before? On. Nice. I don't know if is that too much in the other direction? Like, people playing in RTX just like, you know, blow out their eyeballs. Like, God, this is so bright, I need to turn down my screen. What else we got? What else we got? There could be any like cool glowing things. Although this one does seem easier on the stream. I guess we've got less that it's trying to deal with. It's not got a million neon glowing blocks. Let's just see like how even shadow. I want to see how like the light dissipates through the trees. Yes, a lot of annoying birds. Okay, so we should get supposedly, based on the pictures I've seen, nothing else, we should get like god beams coming through the. I mean, yeah, it's still pretty cool. I will give you that. How's it look? On? I mean, off? Yeah. And on. Nice. Nice. Let's turn it off while we're moving around. Is that a... Oh my god, that's an actual... Am I gonna die? Is this demo gonna kill me? Villagers, help me. Give me food. Can I eat this? This Malone? Why are you so small? Oh, you're a child. You're not just a midget. Okay. No, I can't touch anything in this goddamn demo. How do you expect me to live? They still taking orders for Shadow UK? Yes, you can still order Boost. And then you can still sign up to be notified of the availability of Ultra and Infinite. Show us Skyrim on 8K mods. I mean, we're struggling to stream RTX Minecraft. I don't know how I feel about 8K Skyrim mods. Hashtag thinking of getting Shadow? I think you should. Don't know enough about your personal circumstances, but yes, do it. How is that transfer content from external drives to Shadow PC? It's slow. So I'll give you an idea. If I record a piece of content, say it's just 30 minutes of recording of a talking head piece. Yes, it takes me 30 minutes to get out 10 minutes worth of content. I mess up a lot. So that's that 30-minute video on my camera, a DSLR in 1080. To be fair, I think I've got it set at like a much higher frame rate than I should have for a talking head piece, because I'm not trying to do slow motion shots or anything. It probably would reduce the size. But anyway, I digress. The size is usually about 4 or 5 gigs in total. If I've got a big video with a load of B-roll and stuff like that, anywhere between 10 and 20. A regular video will maybe take me just under an hour to upload the footage onto Shadow. So that's from an SD card plugged into the Ghost. It's picked up USB over IP stuff, so it's picked up by Shadow. Oh god, we found more bugs. Minecraft helped us. I'd like to report a bug. Stranger danger. Did we fix it? Okay. Raw files. Give me an idea of how big raw files are. I don't know what you're shooting in, how big they are, but yeah, like my video files, about 5 gigs, takes just under an hour. That's on my. That is completely indicative of your local upload speed, though. So mine is about 15 megs up. By no means the fastest in the world. Oh, it's doing it. Nice. This is nice. I'm not enjoying the bird noises. All right. I think we got one more. Let's jump into that, and we'll end this very, very brief stream. Are you enjoying Minecraft? Am I giving them the honest answer? Could you do better with the stream? Is that just me? Could you do better with the bugs? No. No, I don't want to give you feedback. Okay, right. Let's show you... Ah, we got two more. Alright, Aquatic Adventure. Let's go on a Splish Splash adventure. Oh, are we on? Off. On, okay. And we are underwater. Are you drowning me right now? Or is it meant to be? An aquatic adventure showcasing RTX. Ensure ray tracing is enabled. Yeah, I just did. Damn. Okay, underwater's pretty cool. I will give you underwater. You can even see like light coming in from the top there. Because of how slow the stream is, how far behind it is, I'm just seeing it for the first time. It's not too bad. I think we can normally get about 10 meg upload. Yeah, so it'll probably be about the same for you if you're looking at sort of 4 or 5 gig files. Just under an hour. For me, I actually quite like it. It gives me the opportunity to take a break. Because when I do all of my video stuff in the same day, so I'll like record, and then if I didn't have that like 45-minute break to upload, I would just start editing straight away and wouldn't see anything else other than my screen for the day. Alright, let's have a look at whatever the fuck this is. If we can even see it. Is it too far away? It's too far away for ray tracing. And this isn't creative either. Alright. RTX off. Assassins. Sorry, I just said assassins because I just read it in the comments. I meant to say RTX off. Alright, are we close enough now? Can we see it? Oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Oh, they do it. There we go. Alright. RTX on. We can still only just about see it. God, we gotta get closer. Still pretty dope though. I like the water reflections, but like I said, I feel like you do need to be like next to a light source looking down at the water to have it look cool. Otherwise, other than being a different shade of color, is it making that much of a difference? I can see a lot less. If I'm actually trying to play the game and like look for resources and stuff, is that better? Oh, something's happening. Oh, I got stuck in bubbles. Alright. Just want to stand a little bit closer. See some of this stuff. Can we go inside? Be some cool stuff inside. At least we got our Minecraft music back. God, felt lonely in the other one. Alright, this should look pretty cool. Oh, are we? Ah, they want you to walk through the door. Genius. Look out here. In fairness, I would have seen that wall to wall with RTX turned on. Wow, actually looks pretty cool when it runs down like that. So yeah, I keep going back and forth. I would have seen that wall to wall with RTX turned on. Without it, like there's water there. You're telling me there's water there? How am I supposed to know that? So look at it inside. It's just it's a lot of it's a lot of green. Can you use Elgato capture card with Shadow? I can't personally. It's not to say it's impossible. It's one of those things that is entirely reliant on your local upload speed. So it falls into the same category as can you use a webcam with Shadow? like it's taking that footage and having to upload it to your VM in order to capture it. So if your upload speed is trash, then no. So I tried it like a year ago. I can't remember how much capture cards are. I spent a lot on one though, and it doesn't work. Can I jump? Can we jump? No. Is there something that I can't see, but I would be able to see with ray tracing? Wow. What was that? Is this like looking at it through glass? It's weird that like we're all so amazed that wow, it looks so real. Regular games have been doing this for a long time. Yeah, they've not got the quite the light bending ray tracing stuff, but I mean, is this not just cool 3D effects? Yep, the stream does not like a lot of RTX at once. Alright, I don't think there's much else in Aquatic Land. So we've got one more to do. Yeah, laggy as hell. Right, so we've got one more. 10 meg upload speed, I would probably say no on the capture card. So we've got Crystal Palace. We got Matt in the stream, special guest Matt, Super Happy in Gaming, at Super Happy in Gaming on Twitch. Go check him out. Alright, off. Ugh. On. Ooh. It kind of looks like, it reminds me of like, and this is just where my mind goes as a video editor. It looks like before and after color correction. Like when you upload footage, when you get it into the editing software, it looks like this, and it's flat and it's washed out, and then you slap up that saturation. It makes you look like you've got a tan and you haven't been locked inside for the past 5 weeks. So I think torches look okay. Actually, they move a lot more when they're RTX off. At least you can see the flames moving. Like on. Oh, no, you can still see it. Okay. I stand corrected, Minecraft. I'm sorry. So I know we're on a ship right now because I did this before and I couldn't find my way out, so I just mined through the side of the ship, and that's not what you're supposed to do. So I'm going to get somewhere up high so you can see what we're dealing with. So it's a ship. It's a big old ship. We're RTX off on a ship. Download speed is 70 meg. Upload is 20. Is that good enough for Shadow on a webcam? I believe somebody said 35 is the recommended. So still you're pushing it. So I don't think you can make any guarantees. There are some workarounds that you could do. If you like take the webcam capture window in like Streamlabs, you can actually go in and mess with the settings in there, and if you downgrade that quality and the frames per second, then a lot of times it can handle it, but it's always a bit hit and miss. So I'm always very sort of weary of saying, yeah, go for it, go buy an expensive C920 Logitech webcam or something. I'm actually going to make something because I know for a fact I was on this one earlier and they freaking left the mobs in. There we go. Yeah, actually, if you got any webcam questions, ITGeek123 is the person to ask. I hear he streams over on Twitch at Super Happy in Gaming. This is the first mining we've done. Let's see what mining looks like with RTX. It looks the same. Cool. Just go find a thing to make my thing into a thing. Thank you. I want I don't know how to craft in Minecraft. I want a sword. So if I make a stick first, help me make a stick. Being outed on stream for not knowing how to place one. There we go, sticks. All right. Yes, please. There we go. All right, stick. Stick. Plank. Nailed it. All right. See, I'm Minecraft pro. Didn't know that about me. Yeah. Am I up for a multiplayer Minecraft stream on Friday? I mean, I'd rather not play Minecraft when I can get away with it. What ISP do I use? So I'm in the UK, so I'm using Virgin Media. I was on BT before. Had nothing but problems. Which is funny because Virgin Media, I think, used to have the like kind of restrictions with Shadow and people had iffy stuff then. It is like one of the best now. I'm gonna even turn RTX off like on in a while. We're playing Minecraft, aren't we? This is what's happening. This is what's happening right now. Can I get some bamboo so we can plant that later and start growing? Oh god, no! It begins. Let's take a look at this castle. Woo! Ah! Are those guys ever not scary? Alright, let's have a look at the castle. Put that in. There he is! I see you. Coming at you with my wooden... Oh, he sees me. What does he look like? And come back! I want you in ray tracing. He's too much for ray tracing. Didn't make it. I just want to get up there. Why won't you let me have creative mode? Alright, we're moving around. Let's turn off. Let's not ask too much of the stream, shall we? Which is a real shame that the stream chugs along trying to do this, because I would love to keep this up like as an example so that you can upload live stream footage after to watch back so that people could check it out, because I have seen people on the subreddit asking if it works, what does it look like, and this would be a good example if it looked okay, because it runs like absolutely fine for me. Okay, there is a way in. Let's have a look at it first. RTX on. It's jelly windows. That's all I can say. Oh, I hear skellies. Where are you? Suspicious, Marcus. Suspicious. Right, can we go inside this thing? Take a look at that. this thing? Can we get some RTX enemies to finish this off? Let's have a look at this lamp. It's a nice looking lamp. Ooh, it's very glowy. I love lamp. Okay, yeah, it's a cool lamp. I mean, it looks not bad with RTX off. What else we got? There's definitely a pig in here. Gah! Oh, hello. Ouch. That's RTX on you. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. I'm new at Minecraft. Stop it. I mean, handle that like a man. Equip? Oh, no. I mean, just to give you my sword. I need that. I need that back. Thank you. This is supposed to look like... and we're on Shadow Ghost, yes. Yeah. I mean... that's kind of it, guys. I think, let me just check there weren't any more. I did want to go back to this one. I'm going to turn it off because this one chugs, but I just want to show a still image of a place that I found on here that did particularly impress me, and we can get around quicker in here. Where was it? Went over here. Dual screens. No, I've got one 27-inch 4K 120 hertz monitor, I think it is. Right, what way did I go from here? There is just a cool like chunk of metal. It's probably hard to tell without... Actually, maybe it was just this. Oh, we're in a cloud. It was down here. Nah, that's just stone. There's an area I found. Super cool, and now I can't find it. I was over here. I remember looking at the lady. I was like, that's a cool lady. Oh, did not mean to look at your boobs, lady. Just look at this lady in RTX. Very cool. Right, well I can't find it. It's disappeared. I don't know what to tell you. Alright, those were all the worlds, those were all the RTX stuff. I'm sorry you could not see it in better quality, as good as it looks on my screen. Looks pretty dope. Yeah, we'll work out a plan for... RP's off, I'm off as well, so good timing. Yeah, we'll work out something for Friday. If it's Minecraft, I'll let you know. I might legitimately sit here, 29-year-old man, and play Minecraft on a live stream. who knows? Stranger things have happened. I still do like take suggestions for things to play. I was even thinking of I got Arcade Unchained, which is just like a highly rated MMORPG. I was like, can I just sit here for 8 hours on stream and play Arcade? People want to see that. I kind of want to do that. So but yeah, we'll work out something for Friday as well. But if you let me turn RTX on one last time, take a look. Yeah, well, it isn't a secret now that we are on Shadow Infinite. We've got like the RTX stuff, so if there's any other RTX games that you want to see, let me know on Twitter at MarkWattsVLGS, because somebody else has my name for some reason. Very weird. Let me know on Twitter. We can always sort out another live stream, but other than that, I hope you have a fantastic evening. Thank you for joining, and I shall see you in the next one. See you later, guys.